Ever heard of a tornado that wanted to befriend a squirrel? In the quaint town of Whiskerville, a playful squirrel named Sammy loved racing the wind until one day he met a real whirlwind, a tornado. But this wasn't just any tornado. It was a mischievous, magical one that played tricks on Sammy and his friends. As the whirlwind twirled and twiddled around town, Sammy realized he couldn't tackle the gusty giant alone. Gathering his woodland pals, together they devised clever ways to calm and tame the tornado's tricks. Through wit, teamwork, and patience, they taught this tornado a lesson in mutual respect and friendship, showing us all the power of collaboration and kindness.